कृतास्ये मम निशित शरीर विविद्यमाना तजिविलासत्कवचेस्तु कृष्णयात्मा शपदी सखी वाच निशममाद्ये निज पारायो
Mataji, it is live. Whenever you want, you can start, Mataji.
निवेशा जितवती पारा सनिकायो राक्षणा पति पार्थ शखेरति ममास्तु व्यावहित प्रीतन मुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवदद्विमुक्षाय दो शबोध्या कोमतिमरादात्मा विदयायास चरणरति परमस्यता स्यमेस्तु स्वनिगममपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञं ऋतमधिकर्तुमवाप्लुत रथास्ता धृतरथचारण भाग्यचलत्कुर् हरिवहन्तुमिवं गतो तरिया सीताविशिखहत वृषणदांशा सज्जत परिप्लुततान्यो मे प्रसभमविशल मद्वदार्थं शभावतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दा. Mataji, I don't know this one, Mataji.
Okay, Bijayartha Kutumba Ata. Okay, we'll do together. Okay, all the kids will do both tune. You want to do? Okay, Janavi, you want to do next? No? Okay. Who raised the hand? Madhav raised the hand. And Samskriti raised the hand. So Madhav, can you go first and then Samskriti's turn will be there? Yes, Madhav. Your voice is breaking. Yes, your voice is breaking, beta. Mataji, voice is breaking.
We'll join in other phone call.
I will say. Yes? Maybe in my computer only internet low. I don't know. Yes, I will open in the phone also. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I hope I will listen in the phone.
No, I think you can ask someone if they are able to listen.
Everybody is listening or for me only at happening?
It's other breaking kids? Up, Mataji, for me too.
Breaking up, yes, Mataji, yes.
Oh, okay. I'll join the phone call, Mataji.
Yes, can you join from Samskriti? You can go first till the time.
Shri Vishma Vacha Itimatirupakalpita Krishna Bhagavati Satuta Pungave Vibhumi Sodhukam Achitvehatam Prakritim Upayasi Yatava Prabhaha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikaragoravarambharam Dadane Vapur Aloka
Ulavrita Nanabsam
Vijaya Sakya Rastume Navadya Yudhitaragalojo Vidumraveshva Vachalulita Samvaryanam Kritasye Mama Nishita Sararvi Vidyamanam Tachi Satkavachestu Krishnatma Sapadi Sakivacho Nishade Nijaya Parupalayo Yatam Nivesha Sanikayo Rakshana
Ritavati Partha.
Mamastu. Thank you, Mataji.
Till there?
I'm still learning the.
Yeah, fine. No problem. Do you want to read the translation also? Some of the 5 sloka, and then Mukunda can read maybe.
Okay. Bhishmadev said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which were so long engaged in different subjects and occupational duties in the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna. He's always self-satisfied. Mataji, I'm still on the last verse.
Maybe you can see now.
Sri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on this earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the blush color of the Tamala tree. His body attracts everyone in the 3 planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittering yellow dress and his lotus face covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp be the object of my attraction, and may I not desire fruitive results. On the battlefield where Sri Krishna had turned Arjuna out of friendship, the flowing hair of Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses, and because of his labor, beads of sweat wetted his face. All these decorations intensified by the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows were enjoyed by him. Let my mind thus go unto Sri Krishna. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Krishna entered the area of the battle of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana. And while there he shortened the lifespans of the opposite party of his merciful glance. This was done simply by his looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed upon that Krishna.
Thank you, Samskriti. Yeah, Madhav raised the hand. After that, yeah. Yes, Madhav, can you read now?
Can you hear Mataji? Can you
Yeah,
hear?
we can hear Mataji now.
Okay, say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Uvacha Itimati Rupakalpita Krishna Bhagavate Satvata Pungave Vibhumi Sasukamupagate Kvachit Vihartum Takutumupe Hoshiyad Babal Prabhaka Vibhuvanakamanantamala Varnam Avikadakola Valambalam Dadane Apuranakakula Sutana Natum Vijaya Sakerati Dastumena Patya Yudhitura Gwaraja Vidumla Vishwak Kacharulita Sambaval Alam Vidase Namamisita Devi Vidyamaram Sachivila Satkavate Krishna Anma Sabati Sakivasa Nishanjamaja Nishaparayos Balayodatam Nivesa Vitabati Patasai Nikayo Darsna ममास्तु जवहीनप्रतनामुखं निवर्ज्य सजनवदात्मिमुखस्य दोषभुज्य कुमतिमहरता विविद्ययाश्च तदनवदीपधमस्य तस्य मेस्तु स्वनिगममपहमात्रतेना रतस्ता द्रुतरथखेदनो अजयाचलातुर हरिरेवहन्तु एवं प्लुतो गतोत्तरीया शीताभिषिकहतो विषिन्नदंशा सर्जनवदीप्लुत आततायिनो ने प्रसपमपि ससाद मद्वदात्कृतं भगवते भगवते विजयरथकुटुम्ब आततोत्से ऋते हयरश्मिदितस्य भगवती गतिरस्तु मे मुमुर्षो
Thank you so much. Very nice, mother. Mukunda, can you go next?
Yes, Mataji. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Matirupakαλpitave Trishna Bhagavati SatvataPangave Vibhumni Swasukham Upagate Kvachit Vihartam Prakritim Upayasi Yadbhava Pravaha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikara Gauravaravaram Dadhane Vapuralaka Kulabhitanamsam Vijaya Sakhera Tirastu Menavadya Yudhitiragrajo Vidhumra Vishwak Kacha Lalita Shamavarya Lankritasya Mama Nishita Sarve Bhidyamana Tvachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma Sapadi Sakhi Vacho Nishamya Madhye Nija Parayor Balayor Atham Niveshya Stetavati Parasainikaya Rakshana Retavati Partha Sakhera Termamastu Vyavahita Pritana Mukham Nirikshya Swajanavadhat Vimukhasya Dosha Buddhya Kamati Maharajatma Vidyayayas Charanaratih Paramasya Tasya Mestu Swanigamam apahaya matpratiknam Ritam adhikartam avaplutaratastaha Tritaratha charanabhyaya chaladgur Harirevaham tam ibam gatotariya Sita vasakahato vishirnadamsa Sataja paripluta tatayino me Prasabhamabhisa saramadvadhartham Swabhavatu me Bhagavan Gatir Mukunda Vijayaratha Kut Mataji, I didn't attend the last class, so I don't know this sloka properly. I'll just
Okay. We'll do together, okay? If you don't practice, that's fine. Can you read the translation from 36, Mukunda? Yes, from here.
When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by the ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, took up his wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way. Then he, the Lord Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield he charged me.
as if angry because of the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered, and his body was smeared with blood due to the wounds. At the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attained their original forms after death. Hare Krishna.
Asra, with your 3 verse.
Shri Bhagavan Shri Vishnuvacha Iti Matir Upakalpita Pritishna Bhagavati Sarvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukhamupagate Vachiti Hartum Pragati Muprayashi Yadbhavya Prabhaya Bhuvanakamanam Kamalavarnam Ravikari Gauravarat Ambaram Dadane Vapuralaka Kulavritananabjam Vijaya Sakeratirashtume Navadya Yudhituragarajo vidhumra vishva kachalulita shamavaryalankratashe mama nishita sarer vibhidayamana tvachi vilashat kavachestu krishnatma sapadi sakivacho nishamya madhye nija parayor balayoratham nivesha Sthitavati parasa nikayurakshna Ritavati partha sakeratir mamashtu Vyavahita pratana mukham Miksha asvajana vadad vimukashya dosha buddhya Kumatam aharad atma vidayaya Charanorati paramashya tasya mestu Swanigamam apayamata pratijnam ratamadikartumavapluto rathashta Ritarata charno bhayayachalatkur haririvahantumibam gatodbhariya Sita vishakahato Vishnadhamsha shatajapari plutad adyatayino me Prashabhamabhisha sharamadvadartham swabhavatu me bhagavan gati mukunda Vijayarathaku tumbatatotre dritahaya rashmini tach chayakshaniye Bhagavati rati rashtume mumurshuryamiha nirakshata gata swarupa.
Can you read the translation?
All of it? Vishnudev said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which were so long engaged in different subjects and occupational duties, in the all-powerful Lord Shri Krishna. He is always self-satisfied, but sometimes, being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending to the material world, although from him only the material world is created." Shri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on this earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the bluish color of the tamala tree. His body attracts everyone in the 3 planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittery yellow dress and his lotus face covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp be the object of my attraction, and may I not desire for the results. On the battlefield where Shri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship, the flowing hair of Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hooves of the horses. And because of his labor, beads of sweat wetted his face. All this decoration intensified by the wounds dealt by his sharp arrows, which were enjoyed by him. Let my mind thus go unto Shri Krishna. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Shri Krishna entered into the arena of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana. And while there and while they're the shoulders the shortened of lifespan, and while they shortened the lifespans of the opposite party by his merciful glance, this was done simply by his looking at the enemy, and let my mind thus be fixed upon that Krishna. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain in the object of my attraction. Fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own purpose, he got down from the chariot, took up its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant, even dropped his outer garment on the way. May he, Lord Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield, he charged me, as if angry because of the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered, and his body was smeared with blood due to the wounds. At the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attained by their original forms after death. Let my mind be fixed upon...
today. Thank you, Asra. Thank you so much. Or anybody is there? Yeah. Now Janavi and Balabrinda is turn of Janavi. No, today different. You want to do first and then Balabrinda? Or Balabrinda, you want to go first? You there? Okay, Janavi, go first. One second.
Shri Vishmavaja itimati upakalpita vetulishna bhagavata satpratakmika vebhamani ashukam upakati kvachadvihaitum kakate vyayuche
Prakriti upeyusi
yatpava pravava tari bhuvana kamalam Tamallavanam Rabikarakosam Varam Varam Tatane Apuralakam Kulavatananakam Vijaya Shakerati Astume Nuvadya Yudhitura Garaja Ramya Veshwak Katolalito Samavanam Kitas Nisita Jaya He Vidyamana Kavajesh Krishna Atma Sapadi Sakivaja Nisamyamagne Ijapalaya Valhan Yaratami Vesha Istitavati Parayot
Parasainikaya
Akshanat Ritavati Sake Parta Sake Rati Mamastu Devahita Plitana Bukam Nireksha Sojanadat Vimoksha Rakshavataya Atmarayat Atmavityaya
Saranarati
Paramastanas Tamestu Sanikamamapahaya Matpyatikna Matpratikna Tavati Kaitam Taratastaha Vatachalano Payak Kuraglu Charat Kuaro Hari Etvahantum Idam Gatot Tariya Staveshikahato Nisam Adamsa Yata Pluta Atata Inomi
Rasavam Avisara Matpatikna Matpadhartam तुम्हें
भगवान गते मुकुंदा
विजय रथ You also don't know. We all can practice. Hare Krishna. Is there anybody else? Balavrinda, are you there? Okay, we'll do both tune. Okay, you all can repeat. Even Mukunda, you can also try both tune. Okay. This is yeah. This is the tune. All the YouTube everywhere is there.
Mataji, can Giridhari go?
Yes, Giridhari. Giridhari want to go? Yeah, he can go. Mat. Ekare Subhadra.
Sri Krishna Uvacha Iti Matir Upakalpita Vedishna Bhavati Sarvata Punga Bevini Sasukam Upagati Kwachit Vihartum
I'm singing a song.
Prakitim Upayusi Yad Baba Pravaha Trivuvanakarvanam Tatamalavarnam Varikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane Bapura Lokam Kurvitamabhajam Vijaya Shakevati Atstume Nanavadya Yudi Tunaganaja Biduma Vishwak Kacha Lalita Samavaye Ramkitasya Mamo Nishita Saya Vivita Mana Tache Vilachad Pachavestu Krishna Atma Sabadi Saki Vacha Nishamai Madde Nijaya Paraya Balaya Vatam Nibeshya Shitabati Para Sainikanurayakshana Hitabati Partha Shakevati Mamastu Vyavuita Pitona Mukam Nidiksha Swajana Baddhat Vishamshaya Dasha Buddhaya Kumatim Aharta Atma Vidayaya Charanvati Paramasya Tasya Mestu Swanikam Aparaya Mad Pagdignam Vitam Adikartatam Mataji, I don't know this sloka.
No, that's fine. We will do together all the sloka now, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Balavrinda also joined from another computer.
Sri Vishnu Uvacha
Iti mati rupa kalpita vitrishna
Iti mati upakau pita bitishna
Bhagavati satvata pungave vibhumni
Sasukam upagate kachit bihartum
Swasu. Can you repeat after me, okay? Bhagavati satvate pungave vibhumni
Bhagavati satvata pungave
Upagate kvachit bihartum
ससुखम् उपगते क्वचित् विहर्तुम्
प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यत् भवप्रवाहः
प्रकृतिमुपयुक्ति यद्भवप्रवाहः
त्रिभुवनगमनम् तमालवर्णम् रविकरगौरवरं ददाने रविकरगौरवरं ददाने वपुरलककुलप्रीतननाब्जम् विजयसखेरतिरस्तु मे अनवद्या विजयसखेरति अस्तु मे अनवद्या युदितुरगारजो विधुम्रविश्व मम निशिता वचिविलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा अपदि सखी बचो निशम्य मादे निज परयोर्बलयोरतं निवेश्य निज परयोर्बलयोरतं निवेश्य स्थितवती पर सैनिकायो रक्षण ऋतवती पार्थ सखेरति ममास्तु ऋतवती पार्थ व्यवहित प्रीतना मुखं निरीक्षा सोजनवधात् विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्ध्या उमतिमरदात्मा विधययाय चरणरति परमास्यतास्य मेस्तु That is the rule. So nigamam vihai amatratignam ritamadikartumavaplu प्लुतो रथस्था त्रितरथचरण अव्ययचलद्गुर हरिरिवहन्तुमिवं गतोत्तरीया सितविसखहतो विशीर्णदंसा शतजपरिप्लुत अतातयिनो मे प्रसवम् अवीस सारमद्विधार्थम् सा भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दा विजयरथ कुटुम्ब अततोत्रे त्रितहयरस्मिनि त्वात् त्रियक्षणीये भगवतीरतिरस्तु मे मुमुर्षुर् भगवतीरतिरस्तु मे मुमुर्षुर् याम् इह निरीक्ष्य हता गता स्वरूपम् We'll do our regular also tune, okay? Because we are learning same tune.
Mataji,
Yes.
at the last one, you always in the last one you just teach us the last one like we said like the last shloka that you
Just now?
No, like the last one.
This one, Vijayaratha Kutumba.
Yeah, you always say the synonyms first.
Yes.
Yes, you always say the synonyms.
Synonyms. Yeah, we'll do. First, we'll go to the again. We'll do the. This is last sloka. Last sloka is not last sloka. This we have to do the. Our today's sloka is different. That was last week's sloka. Okay. Okay, we will do the our regular tune, and this after that. Sri Bhishma Vacha. Matirupakalpita Vetrishna Bhagavati Satvat Pungave Vibhumni So Sukhamupagate Kvachit Vihartum Prakritim behind no. Prakritim upayes. You have to follow. Prakritim upayes upayusi yadbhava prabaha.
Prakritimupayusi yadbhava prabaha.
Tribhuvana kamanam tamala varnam.
Tribhuvana kamanam tamavarnam.
Ravikara gauravaram dadane.
Ravikara gauravaram dadane.
Bapur again tune again mixed it.
Vapurala
Kulavrita nanabsam.
Vapurala
Vijaya sakhirati rastu me anavadya. Yudi turagarajo vidumra visvak. Vacha lulita sramavaryalankritasye. Mama sita saraividyamana. Swachi vilasat kavachestu krishnatma. Sapadi sakhi vacho nisamya madhe. Nija parayor balayoratam nivesya. Istita patipara sainikayoraksana. Ritavati partha sakheratirmamastu. Vevahita pritana mukham niriksha. Sojana vadat vimuksya dosa buddhaya. Kumati marad atma vidyaya. Karanaratir paramasya tasya mestu. Sonigamam apihaya mat pratignam. Rita marikartum baplut rathasta. Rita rata charano abhyachalad-gur. Hariri vahantum ivam gatotariya. Ita visakahato visirnadamsa. Yata cha paripluta atataino me. Yata cha paripluta. Paripluta atataino me. Rasavam abhisasara mat padartham. Rasavam भवतु मे भगवान मुकुर भवतु मे स भवतु मे भगवान गतिर मुकुंद. This is the last week sloka, okay? Vijayaratha kutumba attatotre Shrita hayarasmini twasriyaksaniye Shrita hayarasmini twasriyaksaniye Bhagavati ratirastu me sur
Bhagavati ratirastu me momor sor
Yam iha nirikshya hata gata swarupam Okay, we'll go to today's sloka. Okay, well, it's already late. We have only two more remaining. Okay, after this, 2 more remaining. It's a Bhishma prayers will finish. Okay. Danavi, I didn't put other sloka there. Okay.
Yeah, but I want to see how much sloka.
It's fine. Only after class you can give. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, we'll go to the first one, word by word. Then it's fine. Okay, I'll go for this. My eyes is getting something. I have to go in the phone also.
No, there's one more left. One more.
2 more.
No, one more. This is the last one. Second last.
14, 42 we have. 32 to 42 we have a total sloka. Okay. Today is a 40. Okay. Lalita attractive. Lalita okay. Lalita attractive. Gati movements. Bilasa fascinating acts. Balgu hasa sweet smiling. Balgu hasa sweet smiling. Okay. Pranaya loving. Niriksana, I think it's a chanting also going on. Some they have to, I think, mute. Yeah.
Maybe somebody is in this call.
Niriksya, 1 second, where I am. Niriksana, looking upon. Kalpita mentality. Urumana, highly glorified. Krita Mano, Krita Vatya, in the act of copying the movement. Krita Vatya.
An act of copying the movements.
Unmadaha Andaha, gone mad in ecstasy.
Unmada Anandaha, gone mad in ecstasy.
Agan underwent. Kila certainly. Yasya whose. Gopaha Badaha, the cowherd themselves. Badaha.
Coward themselves.
Okay, we'll read the translation, okay? Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna.
Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna.
Whose motions and smiles of love.
Whose motions and smiles of love
attracted the damsels of Brajadhama.
Attracted the damsels of Brajadhama.
The gopis. The damsels imitated the characteristic movements
The damsels imitated the characteristic movements
of the Lord after his disappearance from the rasa dance.
after his disappearance from the rasa dance.
Okay, we'll go little explanation we'll do. In this sloka, what Bhisma Dev is praying, he wanted to focus his mind in the Lord Krishna, yes? And then he is thinking about Lord Sri Krishna who always attracts to Gopi, the damsel of Brajadhama. Means in the Brajadhama who lives, all the gopis, they were always attracted by Lord Sri Krishna, yes? And then also he was then talking about how he used to have rasa dance with all the gopinis. And all the gopinis, they used to imitate after Lord left the rasa dance, how he used to dance, how he used to walk, how he used to go around them, yes, everything they used to imitate. The same things now Bhismadev, while he is sleeping in the bed of arrow, he is thinking about his pastime in the Brajadham. Everybody knew that gopis, they were the best devotee of Lord Krishna, yes. And that's why everybody knew that, and Bhismadev also knew that, because Krishna used to talk with them with so smilingly, and then he used to walk to attract them, and all the motion the gopis used to also copy later on when Krishna used to left rasa dance, yes. That was he was talking, and he wanted to fix that same Krishna, that is Vrindavan Krishna, in his mind. He's thinking, let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna, whose motion and smiles of love attracted the damsels of Brajadham, the gopis. Yes, the damsels imitate the characteristic movements of the Lord after his disappearance from the rasa dance. All the gopis, how they used to be attracted by the Lord, all these things he is thinking, and then he is fixing his mind in the lotus feet of Lord Sri Krishna, who was enjoying his pastime in Brajadham. Yes, that was the translation. We'll go to the sloka, okay? Lalita Gati Vilasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa.
Balguhasa.
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 Lalita Gati Vilasa Balguhasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa. Balguhasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa Balguhasa.
Lalita Gati Vilasa. Balguhasa.
You don't listen. Pranaya Nirikshana.
Pranaya Nirikshana.
Pranaya Nirikshana.
Pranaya Nirikshana.
Pranaya Nirikshana.
Pranaya Nirikshana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Kalpito Rumana.
Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana.
Pranaya Niriksha Kalpito Rumana.
Lalita Gati Vilasa Balguhasa.
Lalita
Gati Vilasa. Balguhasa.
Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana. प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पितो रुमाना कृतमनो कृता कृतमनो कृता कृतमनो कृता भत्या उन्मदान्धा भत्या उन्मदान्धा कृतमनो कृता भत्या उन्मदान्धा भत्या उन्मदान्धा ललिता गति विलास गुहास प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पितो रुमाना कृतमनो कृता भत्या उन्मदान्धा प्रकृतिम् अगन्खीला Jahnavi, what you did? Prakritim Ogankila. 1 second, Jahnavi. 1 second, I will open this one. Okay, what happened here? Something is happening. What happened? Prakritim Agankila. Prakritim Agankila. 1 second, I have to open the sloka. Prakritim Agankila. Yasya Gopa Badva. Yasya Gopa Badva. Yasya Gopa Badva. Yasya Gopa Badva. Prakritim Agankila. Yasya Gopa Badva. Lalita Gati Vilasa Balguhasa. Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana. Kritamano Kritabhatya. Unmadandha. Prakritim Agankila Yasya Gopadandva. Prakritim Agankila Yasya Gopadandva. Okay, we will do another tune also one time, okay? Lalita Gati Bilasa.
Lalita Gati
Falguhasa
Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana
Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana
Krita Manukrita Bhatya Unmadvandva
Krita
Manukrita Tadva Unmadvanda
Prakitimagan Khilayasya Gopa Vadva
Prakitimagan Kilayasya Gopa.
Okay, thank you so much. You all did very nicely. Anybody want to do it? Everybody get chance.
Can Shubhadra? Daddy Ma.
Okay. Okay, this last sloka you can do. Okay.
Can Shubhadra go, Mataji?
Yes.
Can Garima go?
Yes. Subhadra and Garima.
Lalita Gati Vilasha Valguhasha Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumana Kritamanukritala Tadvaya Unmadanda Prakitimagan Kilayashago Yakshago Pavadva.
Thank you so much. Yes, Garima.
Lalita Gati Vilasa Valguhasa Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Romana Krustam Anukrita Vatya Unmadanda Prakritam Agan Kilayasya Gopavadvaha.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, kids. We'll send both recording and then we can again practice next week. We have only 2 sloka remaining from the Krishna prayers, okay? Panchakalpa Tarvecha Kripa Sindhu Evacha Tanama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo
Anantamati Vaishnavendra. Krishna Mataji, thank you Mataji.
Thank you all the kids.
Thank you, Anjana Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Prabhupada ki jai, Anjana Mataji ki jai. Balavrinda. Now I'm opening the break room, so then everybody, adults will come and chant. If kids also want to chant, that's good.
Hare Krishna, Namavika.
I'm going to stop.